I know you want me, so don't keep saying your hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, fate is pulling your minds away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we were stars? Say you were meant to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we need to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
You think I don't wanna lie to you, but they're all content. And there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go inside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say goodnight? Everything keeps us apart. And I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we need, how can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fly with you. So just give me all of you. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Singing the words till we It's not a secret I tried to hide, but I can't have you. We're bound to break in my head.